Hi everyone. Thank you for joining me. We're going to be reading a book about trains. Will you join me at the train station? We're here at the train station with this blue train, and I have a few other trains. Look, I have a train that is the same color, and look, it's Thomas the train, has the same number, number 1. Same. These are the same type of train, and they're almost identical, just a little bit different. They're the same. I have some different trains. Different. Look, I have a green train and I have an orange train. I love how these two go together. Look, they connect because they're magnetic. Let's start reading this book together. We're going to read Trains by Byron Barton. Let's open this up. We're on the track. On the track. Do you see the tracks behind me? Tracks. What's next? The trains are running. Choo choo. The trains are running. All aboard. Look, have you ever been on a train before? I have been on an electric train. I've been on BART. I've been on Amtrak. That's also a train. It takes you all around the country. It's pretty fun being on a train. Have you ridden a train before? Ooh, let's read more about this book. All right. Here is a train. I see a train. Do you see the train behind me? These people are getting on the train. I wonder where they're going. They may be going to work. They may be going to visit family. They may be going on a nice little trip. Oh, and look, I see a different train behind me. This train is going to Antioch. It's here in the Bay Area. Where is this train going? Let's read more. There goes a freight train. Have you ever seen a freight train? They carry lots of goodies. They carry food and supplies, sometimes even animals. Look at this train. Choo-choo. Have you ever heard a train before? A freight train? Let's listen. Choo-choo. I heard a train. Did you hear it? Let's listen to it one more time. One more time. Going on a train. Ooh, what else can we find out about train? Look, this train is loaded with freight. Might have to get rid of this background so you can see the book. And there's my lamp popping in and out of the background. Look, there goes a freight train loaded with freight. And here are the freight cars. I see a green train carrying bananas. I see a red car carrying oil. I see a purple car carrying coal. And I see this car carrying a truck. And I see the caboose. Here is a steam engine. Have you ever seen a steam engine? Choo-choo! A steam engine with steam coming out, puff, puffing the smoke. Steam engine. What's next? Do you see? Oh, nope. Do you see the electric train? Look, I see an electric train behind me. It is connected to wires. The wires help the electricity go into the train and help it run. Oh, let's find out more about this electric train. This train is orange with big windows. And look, it's going on the train tracks. Here are some workers. They are fixing the track and keeping us all safe. Can we look out for workers? Where are the workers? They're right behind us. Thanks, guys. Thanks for fixing those train tracks. Look, they're wearing helmets. They're staying safe while they work. What else can we find out about trains? More. Here is the engineer. I wonder if it's day or night. What do you think? I see the moon. It must be nighttime. Look, the moon and the stars. Look at this moon back here and the stars. I see Thomas the train again. And what else happens at night? The people in this story are sleeping. Good night, guys. There's some passengers and they're sound asleep. Good night. Good night. Good night, Thomas. Good night. What's next? Here is a railroad crossing. Look, they're crossing. The cars must wait. The cars are waiting for the train to finish crossing. Can we look out for a crossing? Look, it's a railway or railroad crossing. The train is going to cross, but the cars must wait. It's the safe thing to do. What's next? Here is a town. What do you see? I see so many houses. Can we count them together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 houses are in this picture. And the train is passing by. Goodbye, people in their homes. Goodbye, people in their apartment complexes and houses. Do we see any houses around us? Look, I see a few. I see 1, 2 houses. What is next? Let's read some more. Here is a train station. These passengers are waiting. The train stops here. Let's go to the train station. Come on, guys. I'm at a train station. Look, I am waiting for my train. I see people coming out and into the train. What is next? What's after the train station? And look, here are the people. People going in and out. People getting on and off. What's next? And here's the conductor saying, all aboard, all aboard, your turn, all aboard. Where are we going, conductor? Let's go. Where are we going? We'll have to find out. There goes the train speeding by. Goodbye, train. Bye, everybody. I hope you liked that story. We learned about so many different types of trains. Look at these guys. Oh, I love trains. What's your favorite type of train? I really like this old train. It's so colorful. It's yellow and green. It has so many cars. That's a type of freight train. Freight trains. What about you? Have you ever seen any steam engines puffing? Or what about these electric trains? Those are very cool. They have so many wires. I wonder if you have ever been on a train. I wonder if you've ever ridden on BART or a different type of train before. All right, I hope to see you in circle in small groups. We are all done.